Hello viewers, I am Mohammad Shahzad from Mission 100 Million. Welcome to our technical sessions. Uh, in these sessions we will guide you how you can make a demo account and you can trade on it. So let's start. Dear viewers, as you know, demo account is very important to learn new things, especially related to the trading. In this video, I will tell you how you can create a demo account in MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. Demo account is an account in which broker or MetaTrader 4 or 5 provide you a chance and a facility to trade in a real situation with fake amount. Means market and other related situations remain the same and you test your own design trading strategy according to your own trading psychology. Demo trading have their own pros and cons. However, it is very important for the beginners to learn and trade in the forex market. We have already teach you how you can install and download the MetaTrader 4, 5 and other related softwares in your account. And if you have not seen their videos, and the links are given in the description below. Before making a demo account, you need to install the MetaTrader 4. And generally when we download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or CTrader, they offer us a default demo account with the $100,000 amount. But if you want to open a demo account of your own choice, you can open another demo account by following this video. After downloading and installing the MetaTrader 4, 5 or CTrader, you will click at the top left corner and click on the plus sign. You will see three options. Choose the broker. First of all, you need to choose or select a broker of your own choice. You can only make a demo account with any specific broker if you have already signed up with it. Otherwise, you can make a demo account with the MetaTrader 4 again with the option of a specific amount. By selecting, you can select a broker, any broker in which you already have account. If you don't have account, you can select the MetaTrader as a default, and then you will need to put your personal details in which you have to insert your name, your cell number, email, and the currency you want to trade, like USD. Most of us trade in the USD. And the next is you can also choose leverage of your own choice. After filling the basic entries, click OK. And one thing is, you can also select amount. Here you can make a demo account with $3,000 to $100,000, and they will provide you a trader password, investors, and your account details. All these details has been provided. You can save it now, and your account has been created. Congratulations. Your new demo account has been created, and you can enjoy the fearless and emotionless trading. Hope this video have helped you about creating a demo account. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section below. And if you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.